Site 106, Site 105, right there.
Are you taking a picture of
I'm taking a
all
video, yeah. So let's go down the first path. Nice forest. So you can see dining or food prep tent, dining tent, where we're all together. That's our tent, and then there's more tents over here, and forest. Come on, Julia. I got my Cabela's.
No, that. No, not.
Is the other glove around? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Stepped on her nose. I'm so sorry.
Oh, so clearly this is how you can make it up to me. What do you think, Julia? You like it here?
Yeah, it's beautiful. We get to swim every day and paddleboarding and do whatever we want. Anything. And having breakfast.
Okay, there's more to see, right? Let's go.
You don't want me to heat it up? All right. But you have to eat all of it. You can't dissect it. Okay, Kat, okay? You don't have a plate.
Going to the
You,
park.
look at me. It's not.
Doing everything that I love. Eating, not having anything, ginger ale,
Yeah,
and everything I love.
lots to love.
Sleeping in the tent.
So that's where we're sleeping.
And the last thing
Auntie Chelsea,
and the last thing
Auntie Allie,
and the last thing I
Auntie
love,
Paige.
and the last thing I love, staying with you.
And this is the other way, or the way up
Everything
to the other side. Okay, let's go back this way. So this site, here's their fire pit. A lot of little paths into the water. All right, lead the way. Lead the way, Julia. I'm making a video for Grandma and Grandpa.
To the ocean.
To the lake. You lead the way. I'm gonna take a video. Where do we go?
First we have to go this way. Ocean.
Good job.
This is where you're going to take a picture.
And this is where we swim. I don't know if you can see, but you can. The rock is
This is
clearly
This is
like a
where-
nice gradual descend.
This is where we're swimming.
We have not found a fish yet. I got a nibble. People saw it. But that's it.
Mom, can I show you something?
And right back to our site.